Oh, good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. It is plus 13 here in Fort McMurray. It's a cloudy or partly cloudy day. I like these days, actually. I love it with a bit of cloud in the sky like this, not just all straight blue. Oh, I don't like that though. It's too much cloud over there. But I like little pieces of clouds. And over here it's kind of dark. On my way this morning to go get my band-aid on my leg changed at the medical center. All those dandelions are out. Oh, I've got to get to my land. Want to make some dandelion honey. I'm going to tell you, it is so good. I wouldn't pick them in here in town. Too many cats and stuff around. Dogs pooping on the lawns and stuff. Yeah. I'm not saying it's much better, I guess, down at my land, but not a lot of domestic animals going in. Nature zone, I guess. The deer and moose and stuff like that. Well, we're all nature zone, but you know what I mean. All done with getting my band-aid fixed. Nice to see everything's so nice and green, eh? Sun's got a bit of power to it today. Whew. cars are either moving out or moving in. Can't wait for the day when I can move out. Oh, long time yet. Over 1,200 days or more. Lord willing. Oh, this road closure thing is driving me batty. Don't, okay. We're on the trails. That's good. Stay on the trails. Come on, guy. I have to go to work. Can't win these days, folks, but for losing. You go one way, you go another way, it's trouble. You go another way, it's more trouble. Don't go up that road, that's good. Oh no. Now I got another car going up there. Oh. Anyway, folks, don't look like my day is starting out good. Wherever you are today, I hope you have a wonderful and great day. Go see your moms and your dads and look after your spouses. It's so important. And look after your children. You have kids. Spend some time, quality time with them. And if you have a good friend today, give them a call. Say hi, how you doing? And of course, if you're out and about and you see someone who you don't know, smile. Say hello. You could be the sunshine in their day. Anyway, folks, take care. God bless. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video, God willing. Bye-bye.